Hi, I am Asaia. I'm a UX design apprentice at Code the Dream, and I heard about Code the Dream through Immigrants Rising, a nonprofit that provides resources and support to undocumented people who are looking to further their education, pursue their career, and ultimately build a brighter future for themselves. Now, at the time, Code the Dream was still an on-site programming school, and it wasn't until when CTD transitioned into an online remote program that I was able to wholeheartedly jump on board. And so I completed the Intro to Programming course, the React course, and the group practicum. Soon after was invited to be an apprentice, of which this new adventure began. Okay, so what is the apprenticeship, right? As a junior software engineer apprentice, you're placed in a real-world client project to help develop apps and/or web technologies that help advance the social impact mission of that particular client's work. This in a supportive team environment comprised of fellow developers, mentors, designers, and project managers, with the end goal, of course, of gaining real-life experience in the field before seeking a job as a software developer. Now, the apprenticeship is 40 hours, it's full-time, and it's a professional program that requires a minimum commitment of 9 months. And if apprentices wish to further continue past the 12-month mark, they're able to apply for a second year. Okay, so what do you do as an apprentice, right? So for my first year as a software developer, I was placed in the Vamos team as a front-end developer. This meant helping our client, health and legal organizations, build a more effective farm worker outreach app. And this includes working with legacy code in React, building new features, improving functionality, doing peer reviewing, and quality assurance testing before production. For my second year, I transitioned as a UX design apprentice, and it's a team of 3. We have the design lead and another UX design apprentice, and we're placed in different client projects. We are given, or rather assigned, a design problem of which we assess through research, figuring out, okay, how can we best provide a great user experience for our user? And this means doing user interviews, one-on-one, group interviews, maybe group surveys, secondary resources online to gather insights and next steps in then using our go-to Figma tool to designing mock-ups, prototyping it, and then communicating this effort to our stakeholders, management team, with the end goal, of course, of developing or having the handoff passed along to the developer for future implementation. And so I would say this apprenticeship has been a great experience of practicing your craft, always learning, be always curious, and above all, have fun.